Hi guys, welcome back to another Jeff and Chi do video. I'm One Chi and this is...
My name's Jeff.
As you can see, this is our backyard and we used to have really fully grown trees and it was blocking off all the sunlight. We got a specialist to come in to thin back the garden, and as a result, over here we've got a huge pile of organic waste from the trees that's been broken down into pieces. What's really good to do with these things are you can use it as mulch on the garden beds, which we have. And these are actually the leftovers. And I think a really good use would be to create an in-ground garden bed and then using these as nutrients for the ground garden bed. So first we measured and set out the area for the garden bed with some strings. And then we start digging. But I very quickly gave up and handed the task over to Jeff so he can use his big guns. So Jeff's done the hard work digging up the grass and mounding up the soil on one end. We've got quite a few logs here from trimming the trees, and so we're going to use them here as borders for the garden bed. So I'm doing a bit of a test now. I'm going to start digging a little bit more and then layering it with the tree logs. So I've got the first layer, the logs down, and I've just covered it with the original soil, and now I'm going to go over and cover it with mulch. So the mulch is well into decomposition now. You can see there's a bit of smoke coming out of it, but it's actually steam, and it's starting to look grey and mold as well. So it's a good sign. That's what we want. I added the grass pile back onto the layer as additional nutrients, and then I did this for half of the garden bed. Now on the other half of the garden bed, we decided to try putting the grass pile over the logs first. This is so that we can use the loose soil on the top, and so that would be better for growing stuff. Once the garden bed is done, we've just covered it with one more layer of mulch, and the final layer of mulch is just going to sit there and keep the soil underneath it moist. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and definitely stay tuned to see what we're growing in the garden bed. We'll see you next time.